Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting parts and verifying the power path. Use a regulated 3.5V supply. Many modules tolerate 5V, but check the datasheet. Once powered, solder VCC and G&D first to confirm stable voltage using your multimeter. Make sure to wire the audio L and R to the module audio outputs and secure grounds together. While soldering, keep leads short to reduce noise. After initial wiring, insert the battery or USB power and confirm the module lights or signals readiness. Once done with basic wiring, configure the module. You may use a USB serial adapter to send it commands to set name, codec, and input mode. This changes latency and compatibility. Make sure to set proper gain to avoid clipping. Lower it if you hear distortion. Test pairing with a phone or PC and stream audio while watching for dropouts. If latency or noise appears, enable low latency codec if available, and add small decoupling capacitors on power rails to stabilize supply. Finish by securing the module and wiring inside a non-metallic enclosure. Position the antenna outward to maximize range. Once enclosed, run a final verification. Play audio for 10 minutes to confirm stability and heat levels. If you encounter interference or hum, add ferrite beads on power lines and small 1.1UF decoupling caps across VCC and G&D. These reduce RF and switching noise. If pairing fails, reset the module. Recheck serial configuration and ensure VCC is within tolerated range to resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.